You're my new friends.
Yeah.
Tell me about the hurricane, babies.
The hurricane was, it was like pretty dangerous because one tree fell down on our way on like the sidewalk, so we had to go on the grass. And there was like a bunch of leaves on the grass, so we had to go back and then back over again.
And are we leaving now on this plane?
Yeah.
Are we hoping to leave?
Yes, and in the hurricane there was water coming through the door.
And on the sides of the door.